cluster. Frédérick.
Yes, so we had a discussion about the Maritime Cluster Alliance and its effectiveness, and during all the discussion we raised the fact that clusters were really enablers for blue economy sectors, namely shipping, tourism, fishing, aquaculture, all these sectors which are really well developed, but we mustn't forget the emerging one for that. It's true that clusters, as first of all, we have several models regarding and answering several needs, which are the national one, or also the local ones, and therefore the different models have been set for the clusters to answer the needs, and some of them still wondering what are the needs, what is the model to be developed. Anyway, during all the discussion, we raised that we can use the Alliance as a forum for discussion, to share best practices, to capitalize on experience of all the actors engaged in clusters, settlement and engagement. I would say, first of all, to support innovation, to bring on board SMEs and to bid on the calls and to develop business and innovation for them. We mustn't forget that there's also all the dimension which is linked to skills, education, training, which is all the more important, because without that you don't have any blue economy or have no economy at all. It's also good to consider. So like that, it could be a way to use clusters as an enabler also for young professionals to see how they can meet the needs on that, considering that we are not only focused on one sector, but all the sectors, considering therefore the value chain, all the sectors, bridging the sectors all together along the value chain, implementing new concepts such as, not so new, but circular economy, for instance, for that. Doing so, clusters can help in synergies development, supporting the research implementations for investment, can be public or private. So some clusters have experience to bring on board private sectors and private investors, but also public ones, in order to see if they can engage and support SMEs. So as said, clusters are blue economy enablers. First of all, supporting maybe national vision. So we already discussed about, not during the session, but the day before and today, about national blue economy strategy. So they are key enablers for that, bringing on board stakeholders, and we mentioned all the efforts which are already done by the Maghreb countries in order to set up at all their level, for each country, a cluster, and thinking about a Maghreb clusters to bring on board and to federate the southern shore of the Med for that.
Oops. I think it's fine.
I think it's fine. Yeah. So I give